Joke lang. Nasa kabila pala. Hi. I'm so confused. I'm living my best life. Cha-cha! Nestor! Wow!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Pinutol ko yung video a while ago because it's gonna be another episode. And now we're here at Kyoto. Let's go! Yan, may sign na Kyoto. See? Not lying. Yeah, I was gonna show you the Kyoto Tower, Kyoto Station Tower, but I can't kasi nga we exited at a different side. I think saan ba siya? Sa kabila ba? I think it's right behind that building, the one that I showed you. And so yeah, ngayon I just dropped off my my luggage. So we're now walking papuntang TeamLab's first order of business bago tayo punta sa hostel natin. We're gonna go to TeamLab's Vortex. Ito yung bagong TeamLabs ng Japan dito sa may Kyoto. So yeah, papunta tayo. It's only like 500-meter walk, so it's like a 6-minute walk. And ano pa ba? Oh yeah, yun. Medyo na-disappointed ako sa Shinkansen ride natin kasi I paid extra tapos hindi natin nakita yung Mount Fuji. Tapos hindi ako nakatulog, obviously kasi first time ko. So medyo I was kind of like excited but it didn't work out. Saan na ba tayo? We're like 8 minutes away. Yun. Anyways, saan ba yung dito? Tower dito. Napin natin yun mamaya. I just got out to cross the street. Lakad lang muna ako. Joke lang. Nasa kabila pala yung Kyoto Tower. So we're gonna see it later. Kasi nga we have to take the bus or probably the train papunta ng subway papunta ng makikita natin. Try natin. But yeah, para makita natin yung makita nyo yung Kyoto Tower. Kasi last time when we visited Kyoto, kasama sila Cody tsaka Cindy. When we arrived, we were at when we exited, salubong namin agad yung Kyoto Tower, and it was amazing kasi nga it was like bright, it was big, and then it was also raining a little bit, so it's kind of magical. Pero nga yan ngayon medyo pa sunny, I mean medyo may araw pa because it's still like 3 in the afternoon. Pamunta na tayo. We're still walking. It's a good walk. It's actually more than 6 minutes walk. Was more than 8 minutes walk. And guys, ito na yung parang medyo downtown ng Kyoto. Tingnan nyo. Parang, I mean, hindi naman masyadong downtown. Parang, yeah, tama nga, downtown. Ewan ko. Basta, ganito lang yung atake ng Kyoto. Medyo laid back. I was gonna say it's very similar to Austin, but not really. Austin's a lot more metro than this. Mamaya siguro lakad-lakad tayo na lakad-lakad tayo na gabi na. Ang ganda. Cross tayo ng street. Yun lang. Yan, tingnan niyo yung streets. Ang sobrang quiet. Quiet naman din sa part ng Kyoto na puntahan natin. Pero ito lang yung niya, vibes niya. Ang ganda, no? Last time, naglalakad-lakad lang ako, like even in the middle of the night, like 12 midnight, 1 a.m. Kasi nga, like, Cody's and Cindy's, ang tawag dito? Hotel is kind of like far from mine. So medyo ako. Medyo nilalakad ko lang yung the whole thing. So hanap niyo lang guys, it's kind of not hard to find, but meron namang mga signs. Let's follow the signs. Pwede ba dito? Which building is it? TeamLabs. May signs naman. Hanapin natin. Where is it? Saan ba? Saan kaya? Sabi straight ahead lang daw eh. Ito may creek dito. Sobrang linyas. Or never mind, may basura pala. Sa vending machine. I don't know, where is it? Hanap natin. It's a good walk. Ay! Joke. Saan ba? Itong building na ba to? Ito ba yun? Wala ko. Ito. Ayan guys. So just so you know, umikot tayo. So yung entrance ata doon. Ay, I don't wanna say patapos. Let's see. Dito ata. Follow lang natin to. Ito ba yung exit? Let's see. Oh, ito na ata. I think I found it. Pwede sanang maaga pumasok. My ticket isn't until 4 o'clock. Okay.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Okay, I can come in?
Yes, you need this code inside, please keep it.
Okay, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yun guys, pasok na tayo. Ay, ang ganda.
We have a lockers available if you want.
Okay.
So, entrance is...
Alright, I can bring this? Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ang ganda. Ay, medyo mainit guys. Ano tayo? Hi.
Okay, so...
Just scan. Thank you. Oh, okay. So parang may batch per batch, so maghihintay tayo.
TeamLab Biovertex Kyoto. Download the TeamLab app.
Guys, download the app.
Some artworks cannot be touched.
Universe of water particles, flow reaches for continuous life and death at the eternity. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Sana dinala ko yung ano ko. Ang tawag dito? Tripod. Sheesh. Tiyaan. Ang ganda. Wow. May-video din ako. So ganito lang siya guys. So ganito lang siya, basically parang visual, ano siya, visual museum. Yan. Selfie tayo. So, maganda if you have someone with you. They could take videos or photos. Oh shoot. Say hi. Hi. Nakakalito. Just be careful. Just walk slowly kasi nga may mga mirrors kagaya nito. Nito. Mirrors yan. See? You can see me to back. Oh yeah. Mabunggo ka. You don't wanna hit your head. May paano pa si ate dito. May pa-posing pa siya. Oh, she was taking a photo. Never mind. Look, ganda dito. Cherry blossoms. Ah. Let's take a selfie. Cha-chang! Saan ba yung next? It's a free flow. May isang room. Tas guys, mabango. Inside is, that smells good. Wow.
Wow.
Amazing. Can you actually touch them? Huh? Nope. Can you? Wait, no. Wow. Wow, ganda. Bago na naman. Wow. May take a video. Sugoy. Amazing. Tara, move forward. On to the next. Guys, can you already tell you could easily spend like hours here? Kasi walang limit. Wow. Trippy. Oh, sobrang daming ilaw. Wow. Do not touch though. So I think you're not supposed to touch these strings right here. So trippy. Wow. So a lot of these things are mirrors actually. Let me take a video. Yeah, so a lot of these things are mirrors. Apparently also the floors are mirrors. And wow. 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 Eva. Guys, I'm living my best life. Let's go. So trippy. Where is it? Wait, is this the Oh, okay. So we're back in this room. Where should I go next? Okay, I think this is a different room. I think we went over there. This might be a different room. So let's check this out. Wow. Look at that. Holy. How can I go there? Oh. Guys. Holy crap. Look at that. Wow. This is what the inside looks like. Amazing. Might as well just take a selfie here. Gozaimasu. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Guys. So trippy. So 3 minutes lang tayo dito. Guys, ang ganda. Dami ng tao. 3 minutes lang daw dito. Tapos, keep the bags in front. And just follow these people. Yun siya. Amazing. On yung mic ko. That's what it looks like. Bago na yung ilaw. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. Guys, maganda sana kung may kasama ako. 3 minutes nata. Exit. Saan yung exit? You gotta ilag. Exit? Arigatou gozaimasu. Yun. Exit na yun. Yun lang. Ganda pag madilim. Ano pa tayo? Yun siya ulit. Last look. Wow. Grabe. Okay.
Thank you. Please go inside.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, shoot. Guys, wala akong naintindihan. May instructed. Sabi niya, shuffling steps only.
Hi, sorry, could you please wait here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, I think sa exhibit ito may mga balloons on the floor.
Okay, thank you for waiting.
Arigatou gozaimasu. So, ito. Medyo maingay. Oh! Whoa! Guys, look at that. Whoa! So you can touch the ball. Wow, may vortex. Daming balloons. Wow. Selfie tayo, selfie. Wow. So you can touch the balloons. Papa. Wow. Wow. Eto. Wow. Daming balloons. Maybe we can move forward. Forward na tayo. Kasi, sobrang ingay. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. I-zoom in ko. You know? Oh, you can't zoom in at low light. Pero yun na siya, guys. Wow. Like a vortex.
Wow.
Oh, there's actually a mirror. It, guys. Look, it's like a tornado. Wow. So, shuffling steps lang until you get forward. Lapit na tayo. Wow. Yan tayo. Wow. You can throw balloons too. Ito. Wow. Tara. Oh, we can move forward.
Please move along the wall as directed by our staff. Stay as close to the wall as possible.
Oh, mag-change daw.
Change.
Stick to the wall, stick to the wall, stick to the wall. Saan naman?
可能な限り壁際に寄ってください。
Let's go. Oh. Oh, look. Wow. Wow. Grabe guys. Ay! Balloon attack. Wow. Looks so amazing. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow!
Wow, wow, wow. Ah. It's hitting my camera. No. No. Sorry. Wow. 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 Guys, sobrang hangin sa ano. The wind is so strong inside. Wow.
Kaya yung alam, yung netain.
Wow.
Ito gini.
Ah. Ah. Wow. Wow. Aray. Wow. So far, this is the best exhibit. Nasa gitna na tayo, guys. Wow. Wow. Aray. Wow, look at that.
Wow, wow.
It's starting to walk. Wow. Aray, aray, aray. Wow. Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow. You know? Amazing. Wow. Okay, so far that was the best exhibit so far. The vortex. Let's see. Oh, there's a restroom here. Restroom muna tayo. Exhibit din to. Oh. Wow. Yellow. Oh, dami pa pala. I know the slate's somewhere. To another room. Oh, is this like a wide room? I'm so confused. Excuse me. Oh no. It's like a mirror. Oh, so this is where people take pictures. Is there? Where's the exit? Whoa. Alright. I don't know where the exit is. Let's go. Wow. Yeah, I think that was it. I think yun na yun. I gotta find a way to exit. Cha-chan! Yun guys. I think, yun na yun. I think that was it. Yun na yun. Exit na tayo. Ano to? Have I been in? Okay. Alright. Thank you. So guys, this exhibit can cause dizziness now. So sa mga prone to dizziness, like Kay, my girlfriend, ingat. So you can stand here sa slope or dyan sa flat surface. Wow. 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 Ah. Wow. Wow. Alright, yun na ba yun? Are there anything else? Wala na? Tama ba yung English ko? Is there anything else? But if wala na, I think that was the egg. That was it. Oh yeah, meron pa. Look. It's like parang, ano lang, waiting area. Just a waiting area. Where should we go? I wonder what's over here. Ah, there's a second floor. I wonder what's over here. Guys, it's so big. Malulubat na ako. Meron pala. It's a sit-down thing. It's so trippy. Yun guys. May second floor na. Nag-exit na ako dun sa isang exhibit kasi sobrang trippy. It's kind of dark. Levitation satellite. Ano kaya ito dito? Natin. Ay! Ano ba ito? You guys can see it. Or something in there. So basically, wow. So basically, you have a hologram of yourself. Cha-cha! Is this like a floor is lava situation? Oh. Whoa. It's trippy. Wow, wow, wow. It's like paint. Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Yan guys, there's a guy. Wow. Trippy. Eh, I wonder what it feels like. Is it like hard to walk? Is it? Oh, looks like they're enjoying themselves. Good for you. You're gonna get wet inside, so this is the balloon one. I mean the soap one. Oh my god, my face is so oily. And so if you're allergic to soap or any detergent, I highly recommend you buy the raincoat over here. They have raincoat over here for 300 yen. 300 yen purchase. Yeah, you don't want to risk getting allergies here. And guys, wow, sugoi. Wow. Yan. Ito yung soap exhibit. So you can actually touch it. Aray. My camera now is filled with soap. It's like clouds. So, guys. So you have to wear a mask. They actually provide the mask here. Damn, I'm kind of wet now. Ah. Whoa. Look at this, guys. I'm all wet. Oh. Ayan nyo. Look at my pants. Daming bubbles. Yeah, I'm wet. Alright, let's go. Let's go. I think we're done here. But one last look. Wow.
What's up? We're going all in. Says it up? That's kind of big.
Wow. The clouds. Oh, it's coming here. Alright, let's see. I think we have one more exhibit. Guys, nakatapos lang natin dun sa may bubbles. Sobrang basa na ng pants ko. Ay nako. Kung ayaw niyo mabasa, just buy the raincoat for 300 yen. Uy, ito na yung mababasa yung paa natin. Oh, so trippy. Wow. Wow. Guys, do not touch the plants. Sobrang creepy. Wow. It's water. This room is very humid. Look at that. That's the room where you step on the... Guys, so... the whole floor is vibrating of a certain frequency. And there's like a 5mm water on the floor. So, like the whole thing, the water is like vibrating. And then each time you step on it, there's this like... I don't know, it's weird. Ganda sa pa. Your shoes are gonna get wet, but not like just the soles of your shoe. Kita nyo? The whole floor is vibrating at a certain frequency, and there's like a 5mm water on the floor. So, like the whole thing, the water's like vibrating, and then each time you step on it, there's this like... I don't know, it's weird. Ganda sa pa. your shoes are gonna get wet. But not like just the soles of your shoe. Kita niya. Look at this guy from yung ganyan. Oh, grabe. Where you see how the water is vibrating. Okay, so there's a body of water there. I mean, there's a stream. They say light. And you can touch it. Chut-chut, chut-chut, chut-chut. Ting-ting. It's like a piss. I'm just kidding. Hihi. Yun lang. Like the light makes it weird. Oh, diba? Oy, trippy. Look, there's flowers here. Or crystals. Oh, there's more. Oh. Yun na yun. Ay, nice. Sana all. Wow. Sana all. Gawa tayo guys. Ng shape gawin natin. Cha-cha! Chi-chi-chi-chi. Meron pa isa dito. What is this? Is this exit? Entrance? Ang dami. Oh. Oh. Is this a loop? Oh, okay. This is a vibe. Selfie, selfie. Oh, ang ganda. What is this? It's just a red light. Don't walk into the red light. No. Oh, it's basically just a red light. That's it. Yeah, that was just it. That was just a red light. Ta-cha. Okay, I wonder what's over here. The restroom's over here. Elevator. Strata of traces. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it was a mirror. Wow, that's so trippy. Sobrang dilim, guys. Gotta try this too. Wow. Wow. So trippy. Ah. Wow. 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 Chan chan. Guys, you gotta be careful because there's mirror everywhere. You don't want to hit yourself. And I think this is the exit right over here. Ano pala guys, look. Wow. Guys, sulit masyado yung $30. Or I think how do not clash. Do not kick, do not hit. So guys, nakalagay doon, do not kick. Boy, suboy. Wow. Let me touch it. Whoa. Oh, it's like a balloon. That's not a balloon. It reminds me of Godzilla X. I don't know if you guys remember the movie, the Godzilla. The one when he went to New York, or she went to New York, and she had a lot of those eggs. Wow. Selfie tayo. Ito daw, guys, athletic forest to. Ay, sakit. Ay, bakit kaya athletic forest tawag nila? Why do you think so? Oh, this is the one that you use the app and then like you design something and it comes out on the wall. I think this is what it is. How do you? Here, straight over here. You make an artwork. Up here. Where do you get the paper though? So, and guys, if you make it, the paper's over here. Oh no, never mind. So you buy the paper. Oh, the paper. Dito yung paper. Let's make a turtle. Let's make a turtle. Eto. Ito. That's great. So ito guys, you're supposed to make something from this paper and then I don't know. What do you? And guys, now how do we? I try something. How do we put this on the screen? That's the challenge. 13% na yung ano ko. Malapit na ako malobat, guys. Yan siya. Watch this come to life. Ito guys, ibigay mo pala sa kanila. Sa staff. Sorry. Line up tala tayo. You need to give it to the staff and they will scan it for you. Parang ang sobrang bare nito. With my username. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yan, so they're gonna scan it. Boom. So it'll appear over there. Look at all the fishes. Yeah, Nestor! Wow! And guys, it's me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Nestor. Nestor is joining with the other fishies. Yeah. Ta. Nestor, let's go. Guys, meron pang room, interactive room. You can play. Bang. Cha-chang. You can capture it. Cha-chang. Wow, see that? Wow. So boy. Yeah, no. Alis na tayo. Meron pang room dito ng bola. What is this then? Ay! Oh, sorry. You guys. Wow. So I think they'll bounce. She'll bounce. Oh, there you go. Oh, they're jumping. Oh. Wow. Okay. It's our turn. And guys, look so trippy. It looks so cool. Wow. Ano, try natin yan? 7% na ako. Wag na lang. Nakita na natin. Meron pa. Ito ba yung athletic forest? We gotta find the exit. Do we enter? Oh. Oh, it's solid. It's actually solid. Wow. Ta-ta! Wow. Guys, nakalabas na ako finally. Time check. What time is it? Magsi 6 o'clock na. I got in right before 4, like around 3:50. Guys, so when you come here, I think Sulit yung $30. I think I paid $26, including tax. So it's very sulit. So when you guys come here, I highly suggest, like, a lot, like around 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Kasi sa bandang huli, there's so many exhibits. Sa bandang huli, parang medyo I got tired. Oh, sorry. What am I saying? Sorry. Oh, natapilok ako. But I kinda got tired. So, yun, parang, uy, may creek dito. So, parang minadili ko na lang. I didn't participate in the last exhibit. So, yun. I gotta go home kasi 4% na ako. I mean, go check in na. So, hindi ko na magagamit yung camera. I might charge, or I don't know if I should end the vlog here just for the team labs. So, yan guys. Excited na akong maka-check in. Salamat ulit sa pagsama sa akin. Thank you very much for watching my video. And again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And you guys take care, and don't forget to take care of someone as well. Alright, ingat. Bye-bye.